This is Goa, well, one of the corners here. Beautiful, vibrant, energetic, and an amalgamation of so many cultures across decades and centuries. This corner here is known for its colorful houses. Goa is also known for its beaches and parties, but we are more interested in these kind of things. Yes, Goa has so many jewels that it will take you so much time, so many days just to uncover each one of them. And we don't have time because today we are going to go to Pune. Tomorrow we have our Pune meetup. And these 2 days without a meetup actually allowed us to explore what beautiful our country is, India. Karnataka, a little bit of Maharashtra, and of course Goa. So onwards we go to Pune.
गुड इवनिंग पुणे। ऑसम यार, बाइक्स की जितनी तेज आवाज़ यहाँ पर हुई थी ना, उससे ज़्यादा आवाज़ हमारे बाइकर्स के अंदर से आनी चाहिए। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर ऑन अ वीक डे इन द इवनिंग। सो अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अपलॉज टू ऑल ऑफ यू, जिनकी वजह से इतनी बाइकिंग हमारी जिंदा है। अरे अपने लिए तालियां बजा लो भाई। वी आर हेयर फॉर द रोड ट्रिप यूनाइटेड। कौन बताएगा रोड ट्रिप यूनाइटेड का मतलब क्या है, ये हम कर क्या रहे हैं? That is almost, yes, right. Going all around India, we are meeting lot of bikers, biking clubs, uniting all the bikers, biking clubs. Doesn't matter what bike you are riding on.
हो सकता है भाई आपके बाइकिंग क्लब का मतलब कुछ और है, हमारे बाइकिंग क्लब का मतलब कुछ और है, बट मकसद एक ही है, that is biking. So I would really like to thank Motorbite, Fariz bhai, for hosting us here today. Yes.
I would like to give a round of applause to xBhp. Thank you for coming.
And I would also like to give a round of applause to my team for the amount of effort that they've put in the last 2 days to get this place done up.
During the event, we would also like to felicitate and thank all the biking clubs for being here, for making the motorcycling a culture, a lifestyle that we want. We have one more Sunny here, the one whose brainchild is xBhp.
Good evening, Pune. I'm used to saying good morning because we usually have our meets in the mornings. I think this is the second meet that we're having, which is in the evening. The first on the road trip, this one, was in Bhubaneswar. That was also amazing. We had this meet on the roadside. So now at least we are in a container.
Yeah, we are, sir.
So thank you so much, Fariz, and thank you so much, Motorbite. So we have a few giveaways from Castrol. We've got our t-shirts. We've got other stuff also.
I am Ashok Naidu, and I'm from Pune. My club is Road Shakers. I'm riding a stock 1962 Royal Enfield even now. I've just come on it. Well, what to tell you about riding? I think you have to give top priority for your safety. Whether it be a short ride or a long ride, you ensure that you wear your helmets and wear your gears and rope, because you don't know who's going to come and bang you.
I'm going to select the students, and everyone is now going to look here and there. You know what?
How many of you are into content creation? Just raise your hands. Now is the time to prove it.
Why do you love motorcycling? What is motorcycling to you? And if you manage to get an applause from an audience, the loudest applause, you will get a helmet from our side.
Bikes is really like a soul for me, because when I drive the bikes, I feel like I'm enjoying the machine when I rev it, and when I drive on the highways. It gives me a happiness when I'm inside. I go for a long ride.
When I needed a hand to hold, I found a throttle to twist. And to be honest, I've been through phases in my life. And motorcycle, like when I sat on my motorcycle and I went for a long ride, I forget everything, all of my problems, all of my issues, everything that's going on. And it is something which comes from the heart.
Biking is everything for me. As soon as I got into biking, it was everything for me. I love biking. I've done track days. I've been to almost all the ghats in Pune. I've done cornering.
मुझे बचपन से तो शौक नहीं था, बट 9th में मेरे भाई के पास थी एक पुरानी वाली अपाचे, और मुझे बाइक चलाने को भी नहीं आती थी, बट उसने बोला कि डू यू वांट टू ट्राई, और फिर मैंने बोला करनी है ट्राई, एंड that was my first day of riding a bike.
I wanted to introduce him because he come from really far.
नमस्कार मंडळी, आणि नमस्कार पुणेकर. मराठीचा गोडवा आपल्यात आहे. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की, छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की. xBhp मी 2000 काहीतरी 4-5 वर्ष झाले जॉईन करून.
What is motorcycling to me? It is a mechanical extension to the organic apparition, safety beyond fashion, expression beyond impression, the antidote to frustration, beating depression with every degree of acceleration. It is a way of life, not just momentarily acceleration. That is what motorcycling is to me. Amazing. Thank you so much for your kind words. Amazing.
6,000 RPM, your vehicle becomes light, your wind touches to you, your engine sound is increasing too much, but the wind is balancing it, and the sweet sound is coming. And it's just a ballet, and you're enjoying the dance with your bike and your ride with the weather and the scenic roads and ghats Pune has.
ये आपका पेड एंट्री है क्या आपकी? Okay, so
एक मोटरसाइकिल क्या है? अगर एक माँ से पूछोगे तो उसका बच्चा है, और एक बच्चे को पूछे तो उसकी माँ है, उसका बाप है। जब आप हैंडल पकड़ते हैं तो जो माँ का प्यार रहता है, जो एक ट्रस्ट रहता है बाप का, वो रहता है। जब तुम थ्रोट देते हो तो वो कंट्रोल करता है अपने बच्चे की तरह। मम्मी मैं घर पे राह देख रही हूँ, राइट? आई हैव अ डॉटर ऑफ 10 years. मेरे टैंक बैग पे हमेशा मेरी बेटी का फोटो रहता है। Whenever I ride, my motorcycle is my mother, my father. They control me, they give me happiness. My motorcycle is for me a mother.
thank you. So any guesses what bike she rides? What? Where is that Hayabusa? Here. Okay. Yes. She uses a specific technique and a genre of motorcycling that you ride your bike in. Please introduce yourself. They already know who you are. And also, please inspire other people, especially women, on what you're doing so successfully.
Doing very passionately, that is drag racing. And that's my bike. One thing that I've realized is that I have found my peace in running. So whenever लोग बोलते हैं ना कि you should find your peace, and that is what I've found when I ride. And with respect to xBhp, so when I was in college, and that time there were very few people, and this was like a very very fancy thing for us. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मुझे लगता है कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग होता है, जो आप लोग कर रहे हो, इतने सारे लोग जो कनेक्टेड है फॉर नो रीजन, यहाँ पे कुछ फैंसी चीज़ नहीं है, कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल नहीं है, लेकिन स्टिल यू ऑल आर हियर. दैट शोज पावर ऑफ XBHP एंड यू ऑल, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज यू आर हियर फॉर दिस वेरी मोटो, either biker and be the power.
The Castrol is here. That is our title partner. Eurogrip is here. Apache is here. So like them, there are other members as well. We have these partners who supported, who understood our idea.
If we go around India, because xBhp is a forum, online forum. A lot of people used to say we want to meet you. There was no Instagram, no Facebook, no YouTube. So it was a demand of people that please come and meet us because we can't meet. There are no festivals in 2006. And then when we first did that, it was a huge success. And then we said that we'll make it a ritual. Every 2 years we will do it. You know, there are people who want to meet us.
I am a motorcycle designer by passion, and I run a motorcycle community as well for Honda CB200X. In 2010, I started picking up magazines of xBhp. It was so for the sake of getting all the content from around the world. So I used to collect those posters and bring it up on my wall and everything. I remember collecting money for getting every edition. Every month we used to have it, I guess. Yeah. So it was quite crazy.
I started with a different vision in mind. We wanted to do something once and we wanted to do it the best. And that has worked in our favor. We have set a benchmark in the service industry. In the motorcycle service, we want to set a benchmark.
Because हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत देर से बातें कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए हम तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया करते हैं और शुक्रिया करने का एक और तरीका है सभी बाइकिंग क्लब के लिए. We want to give a note of thanks.
4 साल पहले I was also a part of xBhp as a spectator. 4 साल से वेट कर रहा था इनका पुणे आने का, आज आ गए ये. Thanks to Faris bhai and Motobike.
I the biker! We the power! I the biker! We the power! I the biker! We the power! Woo! Awesome guys, awesome. Thank you so much. That was great. And the energy here in Pune was unparalleled. So I think let's move forward.
This event has been absolutely fantastic. The tie-up between Motorbike and xBhp and this Road Trip United 2025 has been absolutely super success.
Today I'm here for XBHP meetup and it is always wonderful to meet the entire team. They have been doing some incredible work to connect every biker with them. I was part of one leg and that time I realized what is the power that XBHP holds. So this entire Road Trip United, this entire format, like touching base of entire India, meeting people is really valuable and it is like giving towards the community. Where
I have been associated with XBHP since 2006 and in 2013 I was the Biker of the Year. Here you can see this t-shirt of mine. This is what it is.
My riding journey started from xBhp itself. In 2022 on the Road Trip United, I met xBhP people right here, and that was the first bikers meetup of my life, and that got me into riding, to be honest.
We're happy to be a part of the xBhP Road Trip United 2025 edition. Cycling is not just a passion, it's not just a hobby. For me, it's a lifestyle choice.
और इस पे मैं अपने चाइल्डहुड हीरो से मिला जो कि थे मोटोग्राफर सनी पाजी खुद. तो मैं 2010 से XBHP का मैगज़ीन देख रहा हूँ और एक जो गो टू नॉलेज मेरे को जो बाइक्स की आती थी वो सिर्फ XBHP मैगज़ीन्स के थ्रू आती थी. जो करियर है वो है मोटरसाइकिल डिज़ाइनिंग. तो मेरा वो बहुत एक बड़ा पार्ट जो है प्ले करता है XBHP मैगज़ीन.
Road Trip United has been powered by Castrol, who have not only kept our machines safe, but also empowered an entire generation of bikers. Eurogrip tires gave us a wide range of options for tires for our motorcycles, from the Ninja ZX-10R to the incredible new and updated TVS Apache RR310. The core team riders were protected with RYNOX riding gear, who also provided us with luggage solutions. A special mention for BMC air filters, BluArmor, Red FM, Acer laptops, Axor, Red Bull and many more for their support, as well as to our hotel partners who ensured our stays were nothing short of fantastic in various cities. Last but not the least, a huge thanks to the incredible number of riders and communities who made this road trip truly united. Ride safe.
Ride United.